The numbers from this storm, well, they are quite impressive. Long's Peak, the big winner, 33.8 inches of snow. Denver got 5.8 inches. That makes it the biggest May snowstorm in Denver since 2003. Out at DIA, we know it did have some impact there. 664 flights were delayed yesterday. Another 483 flights were delayed today. It's also having an issue for some people in terms of their power. 81,000 XL customers lost power. Right now, there's still about 8,000 customers without power this evening, including one couple in Lakewood that works remotely.
There have been zero updates. That's kind of, I think that's been the part that's a little tough, is we keep checking to see, any type of update. I know some other parts of the town are getting power again, but we don't even have an estimate as to when it's going to be back on.
Now, that couple has been without power since 8 o'clock this morning. I mentioned they work remotely. Today, they took their work to a nearby coffee shop.